I'm so much more thankful for those things because business owners, as they know, like we're on a constant move. We used to put 12, 16 hours a day. There was a time I didn't have a day off for 7 years. People don't see that aspect of what I do, but those are those times, and you're still there doing these things with your kids or band or whatever it is. But now when this happens to you, I really appreciate, for instance, with my new relationship with Margarita, I love taking Gavin to school, the youngest, to school, because those are things like when I see him walk, I just love that situation because there was a time where that wasn't going to probably happen, or what it may not happen. It just makes you smell the roses, because when you're always thinking of something else, you're not present.